So typically when I make bread, I will let it cold proof in the fridge overnight for about 12 to 18 hours. And I've been pretty strict about that over the last couple of years. And I've always kind of been curious, what happens if you let it sit in the fridge for a long time. So the other day I had a batch of 2 loaves of bread in the fridge, and when it came time to bake one of them, I just didn't really feel like baking the other one. We just had so many carbs lying around. So I just decided to wait. And it's been about 72 hours since that was first put in the fridge. And this is how it turned out. Very interesting. If you've seen my other loaves of bread, they look quite different than this. This is just a single slash score. But you can see the belly of this, and the oven spring kind of took a crazy shape. Kind of cool looking, but definitely a little unorthodox from what my bread usually looks like. But I'm curious if any of you have left yours cold proofing for a long time, and if so, how long did you leave it cold proofing for, and how did it turn out? But the real test here, let's see what the inside looks like. Yeah, so that does not look great. Definitely overproofed, this huge pockets there. Interesting. I'm sure it still tastes great, but yeah, I'm curious, you fellow bakers out there, what's the longest you've cold proofed your bread for, and how did it turn out?